If your life feels messy, your problem might not be laziness. You might simply have too many things competing for your attention. Here's how to take control again. Imagine waking up in the morning, already feeling behind. Your phone is full of notifications. Your room is messy. You have 10 things on your mind. Messages you haven't answered. Work you haven't finished. Goals you've been putting off. So you tell yourself, today I'm going to get everything done. But by the end of the day, you've been busy for hours, yet somehow accomplished almost nothing. If that sounds familiar, you don't necessarily need more motivation. You need a system. Reset 1. Clear the chaos. Your first step is simple. Clear your environment. Start with the space where you spend the most time. Clean your desk. Put things back where they belong. Remove anything you don't need. Why? Because physical clutter creates visual distractions. You don't need a perfect room. You need a space that makes it easier to focus. Give yourself 10 minutes. Set a timer. And reset your environment. Reset 2. Empty your mind. Now, reset your mind. Take a piece of paper and write down everything you need to do. Don't organize it yet. Just get it out of your head. Work, bills, messages, shopping, exercise, personal goals, everything. When everything lives inside your head, your brain keeps reminding you about it. When it's written down, you can start managing it. Your brain is for thinking, not for storing hundreds of reminders. Reset 3. Choose your top 3. Now comes the part most people get wrong. Don't create a massive to-do list. Choose your 3 most important tasks. Ask yourself, if I only accomplish 3 things today, what would make today successful? Those become your priorities. Everything else is secondary. Because productivity isn't about doing everything. It's about doing what matters most. Reset 4. Time block your day next. Give your priorities a place on your calendar. Instead of saying, I'll do it sometime today, say, from 9 to 10, I'm working on this. From 10 to 10:30, handle messages. Later, exercise. Then prepare for tomorrow. Your calendar turns vague intentions into specific actions. And once something has a time, it's much harder to keep postponing it. Reset 5. Remove distractions. Now protect your attention. Put your phone away when you're doing important work. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Close the tabs you don't need. And stop switching between tasks every few minutes. Every distraction has a cost. You may think you're checking your phone for 5 seconds, but your attention can take much longer to return. Make focus easier by making distraction harder. Reset 6. Create a nightly reset. And finally, don't wait until tomorrow morning to organize your life. Do it tonight. Before bed, take 5 minutes. Clean your workspace. Check tomorrow's schedule. Choose your 3 priorities. Prepare what you need. Then go to sleep, knowing exactly what tomorrow looks like. Imagine waking up without immediately asking, what am I supposed to do today? You already know. The big idea. Remember this. You don't need a completely new life. You need a better system for the life you already have. Clear your environment. Empty your mind. Choose your top 3. Schedule your priorities. Protect your attention. And reset every night. Small systems create big changes when you repeat them consistently. So don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for the perfect motivation. Start with 10 minutes today. Reset your space. Write down what's on your mind. Choose your 3 priorities. Alt key and take the first step. This is ResetRise. Reset your habits. Strengthen your mindset. Rise with purpose. Subscribe for your next reset.